Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna show on how to use sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3 using the formula. So I'm gonna slice this one here. So I'm gonna slice the data, and sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3 will be used. Okay, so I'm gonna put sheet 1 and sheet 3. So I'm gonna name this as a reference. Okay, and then reports. Okay, reports here, entry. Okay, so on the entry I will just show this one. So I'm gonna copy. Yes, I'm gonna copy the cell, copy, move or copy. I'm gonna click select this entry, create a copy. So I'm gonna drag this one. So since the report, so I'm delete the report, delete the entry to. I'm gonna drag this one here and type reports. Same also here. I'm gonna drag. And now I'm gonna have a copy of entry, create a copy. So this will be our reference. So I'm gonna delete the reference. I'm gonna type reference. Okay. So I will remove this one. Okay. Okay. Since it is unprotect. Okay. All right. Okay. So reports unprotect. So I'm gonna remove. Okay. The entry, of course, unprotect. Okay. So the score is mark. Okay. So now name, scores, and then the reference. Okay. So whatever data here will also input here. So I'm gonna use the formula, which is from sheet 1 to sheet 2 to sheet 3. We'll have the result as before before we change this into this slice part, categorize. Okay, so for the entry, of course, we don't need a formula here. We just only protect this one and this one. Okay, but we're not doing that again since you will learn how to set that one. So we'll just set up for the formula. Okay, so I'm gonna put equal here, equal, and click entry, and click this one and enter. Okay, so as you can see here, is set value. Okay, so I'm gonna drag down here, and yeah, so whatever value enter, we're gonna set BB. Okay, so in the reports it's also BB. If we're gonna type here is 3 or set 3. Alright, so now we can put the formula. Okay, so equal, so if there is no value, of course if this one is equal to empty, true statement is empty, and v look up, open, so b2. Okay, and comma, so I'm gonna click reference. Okay, missing, gonna click the reference. Formula is in opening and closing. So I'm gonna put first Okay, that one. So B2, click the reference and drag here. So you can see here. Okay, so this time, no, back again. Okay, make it clear. So can I click reference again, drag this one on the top part. Okay, here the formula here. Again to make it more, but anyway, that's good. Click reference, drag this one here. I will put the absolute dollar, dollar. Okay, and enter. We'll go back here. Argument. Okay, there is. So we'll set 2 for the range. Okay, so I'm gonna drag. Okay, so just define this on here. Alright. Okay, so if the data is empty here, the reports 0. So the score also here, we're gonna put also the formula. The formula, if the score is empty, okay, we have an error also. So since it is empty, so we're gonna put here the formula of condition. So f, okay, if that entry is equal to empty, okay, empty, true statement is empty, and the false statement should be the false statement. Okay, alright, I'm gonna drag this one here. Okay, so reports, so if there is no one, also put Pedro for the reports, and also copy that one. I'm gonna just drag. Okay, so I'm gonna type here 1 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So if we're gonna remove 1 here, okay, there's no data also. Okay, so every time I put here the entry of 1 2 score, okay, reference. So I'm gonna lock this one for tick. Okay, and for the reports, yes, I'm gonna protect also since everything is good. Okay, so if there is no data here, the report is empty. Okay, so again for the score is, I'm gonna put a data validation, data reports, data validation, and the whole number between 1 to 10 input. Yes, same as before, and okay. And for the, okay, for the name, of course, I will try to set a data validation. If only settings, any value. Okay, so that's it. We have a validation. If we're gonna input here 11, of course we have an error, and 0, same as before. So put right click on this, right click, format cell, lock usage uncheck. Okay, and this one we're gonna review. block, and we will put a review and we'll put it. Alright. So if I change that one, okay, if you're gonna again we'll type one Pedro A B C reports. Yes. We're gonna put some score. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Let's have the same result and the reference. Alright. But anyway, another is I'm gonna change the reference. Okay, what about if I change this one to BBB? Okay. Automatic also if there is the result of 7 of BBB because it is all real time. Alright. That's a good thing. I'll take back. And again, that's all. Again for the formula and protect. We'll show this one here. As you can see, there is a references. It defines so the sheet for the reference. Okay, it just define the cell reference. Here, the VLOOKUP, the reference. Entry, this is the sheet entry here. Okay. So that's it.